Nudging your players in a way that doesn't feel contrived or forced is a tricky thing. It's kind of given that your players will go along with your hook in a one-shot, but in a campaign there's no telling whether or not they're going to bite your hook. And you know, I found that there's actually 4 buttons that you can press to really entice your players to go on a quest. The first one is faith. Does your hook challenge their moral code or their deity or something that they find sacred? The second one is fame. Does this hook boost their own personal renown, ego, or reputation? The third one is favor. If they go along with this hook, does it gain them some sort of favor with some senpai that they're trying to get noticed with? Fame is all about popularity, whereas favor is trying to get in good with somebody of a higher up or somebody of import. And the last one is fortune. Does this hook line their pockets with more gold or more gold? Say your players raid an ancient tomb, for example, and they discover a potential plot hook in the form of a crystalline statue of a celestial deity. You can clue your players in by saying that it's a holy relic of some sort by the player's patron or maybe an opposing patron. Maybe you describe a picture on the wall with a champion radiating glory clutching this crystalline statue in his hand. Maybe there's an inscription on the floor describing the solemn charge of the guardians of the statue, and where to return the statue should the guardians fail their duty. You can always describe the statuette as being inlaid with several rare gems and being worth its weight in gold. Now these 4 buttons will work really well if you understand the party composition that your players are bringing. Are they warriors seeking glory? Are they bards currying favor with the local magistrate? There's definitely somebody in your party to whom one of these triggers appeal to, and it's up to you to determine which one works best for your party. Consequently, if one doesn't work out, you can try another one. But don't make the mistake of playing all 4 at the same time, because that just makes you look desperate and really super obvious that you're trying to railroad them into something. Having the right motivator, the right trigger, entices your players to act. It doesn't just tell them that a thing is important, but it nudges on their character's inner desires and ultimately leading them to make a decision that's truly their own.